If you're learning Korean, chances are you've been making one of these mistakes, and guess what? That's totally normal. In today's video, we will go over the most common mistakes Korean learners make, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can speak Korean more naturally and more confidently. Let's get started. Let's start with the ultimate headaches for every Korean learners, the difference between 는 and 이가. Many beginners think that they're the same, but they serve different purpose. 는 are topic marker. They are used to set the topic for the whole sentence. 이가 are subject marker. They focus on what or who is doing the action. For example, 저는 학생이요. As for me, I'm a student. 제가 학생이요. I am a student. So how to fix it? You should think of 는 as giving context and 이가 as giving new or important information about the subject. So for example, 저는 한국 음식이 좋아요. As for me, I like Korean food. 저는 the topic, my perspective. 한국 음식, subject, the thing that is liked. If you switch to 한국 음식은 제가 좋아요. As for Korean food, I'm the one who likes it. Super useful if you're saying you're the one who likes it in a group. Of course, it's good to start with 입니다 or 합니다 because it's polite and safe. But if you're using it with your friends or younger people, it's gonna sound too stiff. So the tips here is learn to switch between levels of politeness. So for example, formal is 감사합니다, polite is 고마워요, and casual is 고마워. And also start practicing 요 form to sound more natural in daily life. Next up, Korean doesn't always express things the same way as English. Instead of saying I'm hungry, Korean literally say the stomach is empty. 배가 고파요. So 배 is stomach and 고프다 means empty. And you don't even need to say I, because in Korean, when it's too obvious who you are talking about, the subject gets dropped completely. Korean vowels can be tricky, especially this one. First up, and o. When you pronounce this one, your mouth gets open. Ah. But for this one, your mouth closed a little bit. 오, 서울, 오빠. And for this one, you keep your mouth flat. 크다. And for this one, your lips get rounded. 우유. And to get these pronunciations correctly, just practice in front of a mirror and try to mimic the native speakers. Particles are so important in Korean. Some learners try to skip them or think that they're optional, but they are not. For example, 저 친구 있어요. 저는 친구가 있어요. Particles telling us who's doing what in a sentence, skipping them may totally change the meaning. But maybe when you get more comfortable with Korean or you text with your friends or daily conversation, you can totally skip them. But for official documents or for tests, you must include them. So the tip is always remember to include them so you don't make any mistakes in important tests. Bonus mistake. A lot of Korean learners struggle with listening because they expect one Korean word equals one English word, but Korean often drops subject or remove connecting particles or uses contractions. For example, did you eat? 밥 먹었어요? So the tips here is to listen to native dialogue even though you don't understand sometimes. Your brain will start to recognize the patterns over time. Be honest, which mistake have you made before? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tips to help you master Korean. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!